There's like a complete whiteout. This is all blowing snow. None of it is fog. You can barely see anything out there. Complete whiteout. Grandma. Oh my god, it's even worse out front. Jesus. Jesus, look at this. You cannot see a thing. This is not fog, it's all blowing snow. You can see the light on top of the water tower out there, but like barely the water tower. You can usually see a bunch of trees and stuff behind that red light over there. There's nothing out there. It's a complete whiteout. Can't even see my school from here.
I'm gonna get out there and shovel at least the sidewalk and
Just looking out this huge door. It's like a... This is a... You can hear it. You can hear all this crap hitting the windows. Tried from another direction. Let's do it from the side of the house. Oh my god. You can see the couple houses in front up here, like those front houses right there. But usually you could see houses as far as the eye can see back there. There is nothing. It's just a huge whiteout. Dark area, you can barely see through my windows. Wow, it's just, well, according to this camera, it's probably looking like a blue out. No, but this is a complete whiteout of snow. You can see my school. Let me just focus it. When I focus it a little bit, you can see my school. When I focus, this is as high as it'll focus, and you can see my school. But completely back there, nothing.